The American Adjusting Schools has a limited number of openings in their Texas All Lines Adjuster pre-licensing class. This class is approved by the Texas Department of Insurance. It runs from Monday, July 12 through Wednesday, July 14 in the Colony, Texas. We also have openings for our Xactimate 27 with Sketch class. This class runs Thursday, July 15 and Friday, July 16. If you are interested in becoming an insurance adjuster, you will need to be licensed and trained in Xactimate 27 before you will be placed on most catastrophe rosters. This year's tornadoes, hailstorms, floods and the upcoming hurricane season have made openings for many new adjusters. The tragic Gulf oil spill has made the shortage of licensed insurance adjusters even worse. Call 800-926-7375 or 469-396-9315 for more information. Or go to www.adjustingschools.com and register for these classes before it is too late.